Hey everyone, Dr. Robinson here, and I'm going to go over how you can use the Dexcom sensors. Okay, Dexcom sensors. Let me take a video of this. I know I'm trying to show people how to do it on their phone with text over, and yeah. Let me just tell you, I've got a lot of challenges here. So I've got my phone in front of here, and I'm going to have to lift it up. I'm going to show you how to use textgrabber app to actually read any code to you. It's really quite incredible, and this is how you can have the codes read on the sensors. So when you have your sensor, you have two little tabs that you have to peel off in order to get the sticky back before you stick it on yourselves. The first tab that you pull off is nothing. It's just blank. So it's the last tab that you pull off that has the number on it that you want to place down on the box. So I have it placed down on a white background. Okay. I actually use the back of my transmitter box or the back of my sensor box because it is pure white. So you have that information. That's what you can use for the background of it, and it does need to be white. I have tried it with black. It doesn't work well at all. So I'm on my phone.
textgrabber.
And I
double
have
tap to open.
Downloaded my textgrabber, and I'm going to double tap and open that.
QR scanner.
Whoops. Let's try it.
textgrabber.
I need to do my taps clicker.
textgrabber.
Okay.
Viewfinder image.
So this is my viewfinder image, and down at the very bottom, and I still have an older phone, so I can put my finger on the home button. Doesn't matter. You can put your finger where the home button's supposed to be and go up.
Real-time camera.
And that's where you're
Tap
actually
or hold
going
to start recognition.
Yeah, and that's where you're going to tap, but I want you to go straight up.
Real-time. Tab.
Okay, and if you
4.
go right to left, you heard it, 3 or 4, you can translate camera and other, but you want to use real time. You want to immediately be able to take a shot and actually see the photo. Okay, so now the next process is going to be a little tricky. Even when I hold my phone, it's kind of shaky. Okay, so it doesn't even have to be that perfect. So I'm going to see if I can do both at the same time. So you're just going to hold the phone up just a little ways from the picture. I have it about 2 to 3 inches. And I'm doing this with one hand. That's how shaky this is going to be.
Real-time camera.
Okay?
Tap or real-time camera.
This is going to be tricky to double tap this.
Tap or hold to start recognition. Recognized 9,515.
Ta-da! That fast. And just to prove it, I'm going to put that for all you visual people, 9,515. That's how incredible is it? Oh my gosh, this is true for, codes, anything. textgrabber. Instantaneously get you the text information that you need. You don't need to use IRA or anything else. And I bought textgrabber a long time ago, so I don't remember if there's even a cost to it. So textgrabber will immediately give you the ability to read codes. Make sure there's bright light on also. So you do have to have lots of light on, white background, hold the camera about 2 to 3 inches from your code or whatever you need it to read, and it will read it instantaneously. And that is for all you diabetics out there. And we already know diabetics, visual issues, oh my gosh, they run hand in hand. So these are really incredible tricks for you. Okay, talk to you later.